Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Heart of Jamaica TV, and we are here today. We're gonna do some fish. We're gonna do some lane snapper fish today, snapper. So we're gonna season them. Yes, we're gonna do a fry up with them, but we're gonna season them first. So I'm gonna start by showing you guys how I prepare my seasoning. So in this little bowl here right now, it's a seasoning inside. So in here, I have a bit of Maggi seasoning. We have black pepper in here. We have some other fish seasoning inside here. Yeah, to taste. So we're gonna season our fish right now. So we're gonna show you guys what we are doing. And guys, remember, before we even go further, please to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Yeah, man, we really need that subscribe, dear guys, because I realize that I lose a lot of subscription a few months ago, and I didn't get them back. And I'm asking you guys, please, because the subscribe is free. So please take the time out to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell at the same time too. Yeah, man, and please, while watching the content, please to like the content for me, please. Thank you guys. So we're gonna go right into start seasoning the fish. So now these are the fish you're gonna take. These are the fish that we have today. Very nice, nice in size, everything. So yeah, we're gonna start by seasoning them. They all drain and everything. So we're gonna get our knife like this, and we're gonna put the seasoning inside, just like that. Make sure seasoning get up in the head. Yes, guys. So we take it up in the cores then. We make sure seasoning get into them. Just use a knife and slide it in just like that. Just like that. So now, when these fish fry, you could do a brown stew, or you can just do fry, eat like that, or you could do the escabeche with the pepper and everything. But these fish, them very tasty. Once they're seasoned well, you could just eat them just like that. So you just season them like that, guys. Make sure they're well seasoned inside, good. And I have salt in there. These spices here already have salt already. I don't want to make them overpowering with salt. Yeah. Remember, tell a friend about my channel. They ask what's the name of the channel. It's Heart of Jamaica TV. Yeah, guys. See? Just like that. Like that. In there. You spread it in there like that. You come again. The core. Just like that. You use a knife and press it in like that. See? Sides. Very tasty, you know. Got them seasoned well. Yeah. And guys, I cook a lot of dishes. And if you guys need to see something, please don't be afraid. You guys could tell me that what you guys would like to see me do. Please do leave a comment on what dish you would like us to do. I always try to ask, but most times I don't get any response to it. But I want you guys to respond to me by letting me know what dish you guys would like to see us do. Yeah, guys. This is these fish here right now, guys. Them ready. Them you could steam them. Like if you want to do a steamed fish, these are the ideal fish to. I'm ready to steam here right now. Or if you want to do a brown stew, these fish here good for a brown stew. If you just want to eat it escovitch, you just fry them, make it escovitch, and you're good to go. Whatever you choose, bread, bami, whatever you choose to eat it with. Yeah, you could eat it with bread, bami, whatever you choose to eat it with. So you could steam the fish and then you could steam the bami, put the bami in after. Or you could just eat it with bread, anything that you choose. Escovitch way. Either way, steam. If you steam it, you could steam it like I said with the bami and everything. Or you could use hard crackers. Most people like to use crackers. The Jamaican Excelsior hard crackers there. Yeah. I think I do a few dishes with it like that. Okay, good. So that's finished, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how they look now. Look at them. They're seasoned now, ready to fry. Yeah, guys, so season. Look at them, guys, beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, so they're ready to fry. So guys, I'm gonna do a steam fish. So here I have my ingredients prep here right now. I have some potatoes, carrots, I have some thyme, I have some onions. I don't have any okra today, guys, but I'm gonna make do with whatever I have. So I have my pot on the stove, so I'm gonna get it warming up here right now, and I'm gonna put a little butter inside, and then we're gonna start, guys. So my pot is just warming up a bit, getting some temperature. Then we're gonna saute our vegetable, our ingredients here. And then we're gonna start the steaming process. I have to prepare the sauce, and then we're gonna put our fish inside. Yeah, man. So just keep on watching, guys. You're gonna see what's going on here. A little bit more. Okay. Getting our butter melted out here right now, guys. Then we're gonna put our ingredients inside. I don't have no pumpkin. I'm gonna have no okra today, guys, but that doesn't stop steamed fish. It's good to have them, but you can't work without them. So now we're gonna put our potatoes in. Everything good. My camera was giving me a little problem, so inside here our vegetable in saute. So I added some ingredients inside. I add some Maggi seasoning inside, and I add some pimento. So you guys miss out on that, but it's here. So I'm gonna add some water now to make the sauce. I have to put a little more because the fish them have to not really cover, but to have enough to steam them. Yeah, guys, so this is it here right now. So add just a little bit more. This is a meat seasoning. Add just a little bit. Just to give it an extra taste, guys. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna use one of this. This is a cock soup. Can't make steamed fish without having a cock soup inside. Some people call it rooster noodle, whatever. This is it there. This is it. So it's cock soup mix. So what happened, guys? I'm gonna explain. If I was gonna share it with you guys, I would have moved in the noodle, but I'm using it here. This one here is for my personal use, so I'm not gonna waste the noodle. I'm gonna use the noodle in there, okay? So I'm gonna add it. We have a lot of steam, guys, but you guys suppose you can see it from that angle. I don't want our thing to boil out, so they have cooked there right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just taste it a bit just to make sure everything is up to par. And it's good so far. So now I'm gonna choose 2 fish. So this one, guys, and you're gonna just slide it into the sauce like that. Another one, slide it into the sauce like that, guys. Maybe I should do 3. I'll do 3. So 2 headway and 1 below. Just like that. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use the spoon and we're gonna get some sauce on top of that. Just like that. With these steamed fish, you cannot put too much water. Okay. So now, and let it steam for like around We're gonna cover it and let it steam for like around 15 minutes. Medium heat, guys, so you're gonna turn this stuff down just a little and let it do its thing, and then we're gonna come back and show you guys. Okay, stay tuned. Yeah guys, check out what's going on here right now. The fish them ready and the sauce is good. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do here now, guys, I'm gonna put some crackers. So I'm gonna get some, just like this. I'm gonna spread them over the fish, like that. But this is steamed fish and crackers. And guys, like I said previously, we can use bami. But this is steamed fish, so I won't use bread for this one because the bread tend to sag very fast. So we use more, like, even if the crackers get soft, it's still gonna hold together. It's not gonna fall apart. So what we're gonna do is just spread them over like that, just like that. And then now we're just gonna use our spoon and get to one angle of the pot and get some sauce, and you're gonna go over the crackers just like that. Just pour the crackers, the sauce over the crackers just like that. Fish still firm, still solid, same way, no breaking. You know, so you could eat your meat and it don't break up. So now that you do this, you just spread it out back. Everyone get a little bit of gravy on them. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cover it just like that. Then we're gonna turn our stove off and just let it sim for a few minutes if you're ready to eat now, or if you're ready to eat later. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let it sim for like around, say, 5 minutes, and then we're gonna plate it, let you see. And so guys, this is what it look like here now, guys. Very nice, delicious, scrumptious. Guys, you don't want to stop eating this one. This one is nice. Look at that, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is steamed fish, red snapper, steamed fish and crackers with vegetable, everything, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, like, hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember to tell a friend about the channel. Again, it's Heart of Jamaica TV. We got so much new, nice, delicious content coming out, guys. Look at that, beautiful.